Now we are testing the engine room crane load test. So our load of the crane is safe working load is 4 ton, 4000 kg. You can see there. Now we are testing by the calibrator. So we slowly increase the load up to 5 ton. Okay, that is more than 4 multiplied by 1.25. Now we slowly increase the load. You can see 1.25 more than safe working load. So among almost no more. So we cannot lift the too much load here also. It means that our slipping clutch is already slipping, cannot hold the load. Okay. This is for the another crane. But number 1 crane, when we tied the locking nut for this number 2 crane, it is holding up to the 5 ton. Okay. But slowly it is also decreasing. It means that slipping clutch is a problem. Brake is okay. You can see that load is going slowly down. Now only before we hold only 3.5 ton, but it is coming to 3.1. You can see slowly it is decreasing. It means that our crane has the number 1 crane also have the problem. Guys, we are tightening that locking nut. You can see this is the locking nut. We are tightening more because crane is not taking the load even 5 ton, because safe working load is 4 ton, but we need to take load for 1.25 more than the safe working, that is 5.6 ton. So we just tighten this locking nut by using before that you have to remove this small allen also. Okay, there is the allen screw. You can see we already tight. We will see now by lifting the load how much it will be take. So after tightening this locking nut, we are connected already and we are testing again. So it should be holding more than 5 ton. Okay, should be more than 3.5. Before it is only 3, but now it's taking 4.9, 4.8, even not going 5 ton. Not going to the 5 ton, but before when we tied the locking nut, it is going to more than 3.5 ton, but now no more. Okay, 4.5 is maximum. You can see slowly it is also decreasing, 4.3. Okay, so it means that there is a problem with the slipping clutch. So need to replace the slipping clutch. You can see guys, this is slowly decreasing. Now again we are lifting the load. You can see we are hoisting the load, but still it is cannot. Okay, it means the problem with the slipping clutch, so we need to replace that slipping clutch.